mankind its dignity and make it manifest in every aspect of their life. It's of no use if you simply say, yes, I believe that I am divine, I believe that there is a divine core in me. But if you act in your normal life in a very mean manner, if you are divine, so all your actions, your thoughts, your words also should be divine. So it has to percolate to your day-to-day dealings. So this Swami gave a series of lectures called Practical Vedanta, and how this Vedanta can be made practical, how it will be useful to every section of the society. So this is another of Swamiji's important contribution, that he showed us how that Vedanta is not negative, it is not Maya, because the traditional Advaitis, they put a lot of emphasis on Maya. The people used to think the world is a Maya, so it is not unreal, so why should we strive? So such negative stance are all there. So Swamiji stressed on the immanent aspect, that God is everywhere, Shiva Jnana Jiva Shiva. That if God is everywhere, then we will worship God. We won't merely do seva out of compassion. So there are three things. One is Maya, Daya and Seva. Sri Ramakrishna made a distinction between these three. Maya is what? Maya is what we do out of our attachment to the people who are related to us in a blood relation. So that leads to attachment. But there is another higher level of the same emotion can be expressed, that is Daya, where you show compassion to people who are not related to you, who are unknown to you, but they are needing something, and you, without any expectation in return, you try to address their sufferings, address their needs. So that is Daya, that is compassion. And then Swamiji, Sri Ramakrishna added a third element. He said, who are you to show compassion, Daya to others? That is, you do it as a seva. Shiva Jnana Jiva Shiva. It is not Daya, but it is seva. That is what institutions, Ramakrishna Mission from other social service organizations, both in Hinduism and also in Christianity, Buddhism, all of them now they have compassion as one of the core tenets. In Buddhism, in Christianity, showing charity to neighbors. But we are not showing charity to neighbors because we believe that our neighbors are also God and we worship the God in them. So Shiva Jnana Jiva Shiva is a practical application of the eternal Vedantic principles which Swamiji made us practice in our day-to-day life. And another contribution of Vivekananda is he made yoga a household term. Remember, Swamiji was the first religious teacher in the modern times to address the Western audience on the subject of yoga. In fact, in the second visit to the West, he stressed on so many of his lectures delivered at California. He stressed on the practical aspects, how to control the mind, how to improve your concentration, how to meditate. He practiced on this yoga alone. And we all know he gave lectures and which came out in the form of books as 4 yogas and as 4 independent pathways to God. It is not that each one of them is a subsidiary to another, but each of the yogas, Raja Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga and Jnana Yoga, each one of them is an independent pathway to God. He says, you combine this, one of his famous formulation is that each soul is potentially divine. The goal is to manifest that divinity within. Do this by love, worship, psychic control, or philosophy, by one or more or all of this, and be free. That is the whole of religion. So this concise definition of what religion is and what it is not. It is not dogmas, it is not beliefs, it is not rituals, it is not superstitions. So Swamiji's contribution is he delineated yoga from its physical manifestation. So yoga, there is a branch of yoga called Hatha Yoga, which is now popularly goes as a yoga. What? It is nothing but Hatha Yoga, which involves pranayama,